Well, we're here at our first ever E-bike Expo and it's been absolutely amazing. We've had hundreds of people here all day trying out all different types of e-bikes, anything that you can imagine. We've got here foldable bikes, cargo bikes, road bikes, gravel bikes, everything. It's been marvellous. In Victoria, over 2.2 million car trips per day are less than 2 kilometres. These trips can easily be made on an e-bike and it's faster. They'll take you less than 10 minutes to do.
We have 2 young boys, they're 3 and 1, and now it's really the way that we get out and about to do family activities. So both boys are now on the bike, on the back, and I'm so happy to see so many kids here today because it really is a family-friendly way to commute around town. And from experience, getting the boys on the bike rather than in the car is so much more enjoyable.
What brought you to the event today?
Well, we want to get rid of our second car.
Yes! That's what the event's about.
I've been thinking about getting an e-bike for a while. We're looking to replace our second car, but I've never actually ridden one before, so I just wanted to come and see what it was like.
So has today helped you
Definitely
choose?
Yeah, being able to try them has been really good.
Why have you decided to take up an e-bike?
Well, I haven't ridden a bike in a long time, so we thought an e-bike would be the way to start.
You'll save yourself tens of thousands of dollars by just getting an e-bike.
So e-bikes, last night I had an event on at the Collingwood Town Hall. I live nearby, it was finishing after dark, there was a bit of drizzle. Normally I would have driven, but the e-bike just extends your range.
We know that people getting on bikes and out of cars brings so many benefits to our community, to people and to the environment.
Say hello to your second vehicle, and that's what it's all about.